trailer. Hey, we're out here in Perrydise, getting ready to drop into Candyland. I'll take you along with me. We got Donnie almost falling down. There's Ryan leading us. Workhorse. There's EZO2, Crazy Carl. Hey, I'm filming you, filming me, filming you. Hot lap. Scotty 315 and John Theory. We got a crew. Oh, and don't forget Bear, Jason Bear. We got a nice little drop in here. Charlie Horse. Hot lap coming down. Looks like Bear's coming down here on the Sears. Woo, right between the trees. Here we got Theory. Coming down. He's got that beautiful sounding RP on there. The old trigger app. The old B1 Baker. We're in this particularly nasty section of the beginning of Candyland. Off Camber. There's that. There's that. Don't get no tighter than that. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. We got Scotty working on this rock pile. She's tight, boys. She's tight. Beautiful crawler. Almost. Got a little hot in it. There it is. Woo! Woo! I'm already sweating. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Oh yeah. We got it. Now I gotta move my stuff so we can go. Got Donnie coming through the lower section here. Sears. Just FYI, it's like 50 degrees and we're all sweating our nuts off. That's why he's got his shirt off. We got John over here trying to get up into it. Basically, you go about past Kristen around that tree, over and down right there.
It's getting better as it's
Getting more in, I like it. with it. Oh, we got Scotty here. B1, gonna try it. Carl's over there coming down the drop-in. If you're all wondering why I don't video up there much, because basically it's just a bunch of wiggling around. It's just kind of boring. So I only got so much space on the phone, trying to get you guys the best action that I possibly can. Oh, beautiful. Almost. Almost. Let's see if we can get a better angle here. There. That's a good one. Hi, buddy. Woo! Woo! Spicy boy. Pinned in now. Oh, rock relocation. I like it. I didn't like that rock being there anyways. Scotty, are you a bulldozer? Oh! Alright. There it is. No big deal. We can use that one somewhere else. You do it.
Yeah, that's just the right thing. That stop really. Not comfortable.
Right.
It did. I climbed it. Like it didn't hold me really, but.
Well, that and see, I don't know who, maybe Theory or who got on here and knocked it all off. But that was, I didn't know that was a rock slab under there. I thought it was just dirt. When I was doing it, it was just a dirt climb.
Yeah, but it's cool now.
It is. Oh, I love it. It's badass.
I didn't put no rain on.
There it is, there it is. Woo! Beautiful work. What's wrong with that? We're done. Look at this stuff we take these on. I've seen easier hiking trails. You gotta go around it, Scotty, not over it, goddammit.
It's an obstacle. I climbed it up. It's good. Keep backing up.
There you go. See, you got it. I mean, look at this. Now brakes. There it is. Little bump, little brake. Yep. Oh, the rowdy. So rowdy. Why do we do this? We're so dumb. And there's a big rock down here. Oh. Yep, yep. All right, now hard left. You're good. Beautiful. Love the line. Yep. Yep. Keep coming. There it is. Go, go.
Whoop, picture down. That did anyway. I hit my starter. I think it might be over uncovering the main jet.
Wave at me.
It's on the side.
Just put her in first low and start her crawl it.
Get that wheel. Turn your wheel. Try to turn
Gotta
it.
get the caves up. Ready?
Ah, you're good, buddy. Just crawl her right through there.
Start her crawl.
That's the same thing Carl did, only he actually fell off.
Just start in neutral. She'll go.
I could barely steering wheel.
So good. made it through Candyland over there. Got a few clips for you, see. And now we're on the Fern Gully. So I'm just hanging out here. Red ZZ showed up. And we're gonna walk down here and get some more footage for you. Just down here. Little smoke rings. Apparently. Woo! Apparently Theory's tractor's on the vape. Yes, sir. I'm not sexy enough to stand up there. Oh, nice line up there, Bear. Can you get on up?
I found a sweet little drop off at the beginning. Went up on a high side off a rock.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that might be the one.
Beautiful. Beautiful. No reverse even. Perfection. Perfection. One shot, baby. Woo!
Like I own the place.
Right. Carl's got it too. Nice. Nicely done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Shawnee Poo's got it. Donald, what are you doing?
That one you should turn off?
Yeah.
A long time ago?
Yeah, that one.
I'll do a video on how to do it once even.
Good.
I did it like a month when I did that mod.
It's just mower pandemonium down here. There's people going everywhere. There's a big water crossing right here going into the pond. See if you get stuck. No problem. Oh, yummy. Oh, there's Sean driving through the other part. Give the steering wheel wiggle. I think you got it. Woo! Yeah. Yep. Other way, sir. Oh, I got you. There you go. Whee! High-centered, boy. So we got a new line. We just rolled that this rock from up there and moved some stuff around there. Scotty's going to give it a shot here. So you can get the front wiggled over. Should be a pretty good one. car before.
First year highs are taking on that for me.
Yeah, you need just a little bit of momentum or your dig spin out in the sand.
I didn't want it to roll back slow with low gear too. I said I want to be in the high gear rollback.
Right.
Yeah, get it, baby. Move it.
Woo! Oh, low to zoomed in. Oh, now you did it. Now you did it, bud. You fucked up. Well, that's going to be it for me, guys. I wish I could have got a little more footage, but once again, like usual, having too much fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Creep Crawler out.